1. Zermatt. Nestled beneath the iconic Matterhorn, Zermatt beckons with alpine beauty, making it a haven for skiers. The car-free village adds to its charm, offering a serene mountain retreat. Visitors revel in breathtaking views and the allure of unspoiled nature. Number 2. Lucerne. Overlooking a tranquil lake, Lucerne boasts medieval charm with landmarks like the Chapel Bridge. The blend of old-world architecture and modern amenities creates an enchanting lakeside experience. Lucerne's appeal extends to its vibrant cultural scene and stunning mountain vistas. Number 3. Interlaken. Positioned between Lake Thun and Lake Brienz, Interlaken is an adventure enthusiast's paradise. The stunning backdrop of the Eiger, Mönch, and Jungfrau peaks makes it a captivating destination. Outdoor activities abound, from hiking and paragliding to serene boat trips on crystal-clear lakes. Number 4. Geneva. Geneva's cosmopolitan ambiance is enriched by its international organizations. From the Red Cross to the United Nations, the city's cultural diversity is complemented by the iconic Jet d'eau fontaine. Explore museums, parks, and enjoy the scenic beauty along the shores of Lake Geneva. Number 5. Bern. As the Swiss capital, Bern preserves medieval allure in its cobbled streets and historic landmarks. The Zittglogge Clock Tower and Federal Palace showcase the city's rich cultural heritage. Bern's atmosphere invites leisurely strolls, revealing a harmonious blend of tradition and modernity. These countries offer immersive experiences, weaving history, nature, and culture into the fabric of unforgettable journeys.